Hello, and welcome to the SaturdayMP show, episode number 66, being recorded mostly live, February 17th, 2025. I'm your host, Chris, and I don't know, I always say this is a show about shipping secure, high-quality software faster, because it's kind of my consulting tagline, but I don't think we don't do a lot of shipping on this on the show. Maybe I'll have to change that tagline. But mostly what we do is just live demos, coding challenges, some security, capture the flag challenges, mostly just like live coding. So hopefully people find this interesting. It's mostly live because I try to edit these videos very lightly. So they're going to be longer videos and you're going to get to watch me fail. So you won't get a highly edited 5-minute thing where everything is successful. You're going to get, I don't know, anywhere up to an hour and a half of me trying to figure something out, trying to figure out a problem. So I hope you enjoy this type of video. And if you do, do all the things like share it with other people, like, subscribe. Anything like that would be much appreciated. If you have any questions or challenges, I always thought this would be kind of cool as a question and answer show where I answer questions mostly live. Send me an email to ask@SaturdayMP.com or just shoot me, if you're watching this on YouTube, leave a comment down below. And maybe I'll answer your question in a future show. That would be great. All right. Okay. So today, I also act like people keep watching these videos, like they tune in every week. If you did tune in any week, I didn't publish a video last week because I was just really busy with work. I was trying to get some client stuff done, and I have some more client stuff to do. It's technically a holiday in Canada today. It's Family Day, but I need to get some work done. So hopefully this is a short little video, and then I'll jump back into my client work. So I didn't publish a video last weekend, and the week before I did a video about, maybe I'll bring it up here. Give me a sec. Let me see here. Oh no, I got the wrong browser open. Okay. Let's make that a little bigger. See it. All right. So where are my videos here? So I didn't publish a video last week. 2 weeks ago, I published this one because I did this presentation, which actually went really well. I did it live here in Edmonton for a local meetup group. So, I really enjoyed presenting there, and I got some good feedback from it. So, I think I'm going to make kind of this Gilded Rose talk maybe one of my staples. I've done it twice, once for Python and once for .NET. So, maybe if you're interested and you want me to present it to your group, these videos are pretty long, but I do a short, like the one I did live was like 30 minutes, I think. So I shortened it down quite considerably, but let me know. And then the week before, I guess what I was getting to is the week before I did this picoCTF format string 3 problem, and I totally failed. Like, this is a video of me not solving anything, mostly live. I really thought about not posting it. Sometimes it's hard to post videos where I don't know what the heck I'm doing. And I haven't had a lot of time to research why it was wrong. So I was maybe thinking about doing a little bit of research today before I did this video. But then I saw there was a format string 2, which I haven't done because I just picked format string 3 just randomly. At the beginning of the video, I think I randomly pick it before I start the video. So I'm going to do format string 2 today, and hopefully I don't fail, and hopefully it gives me some ideas to solve format string 3 in a later video, because I'd love to show, even if it's just a short video of me actually solving it. So that's what we're going to do today. So here, just let me bring up, I have to, I will have to pause it here because I logged, I guess I could just bring this, okay, let's just bring Chrome over. All right, there we go. So we got format string 2 here, this problem. And I already clicked the hint. And it said something about this pwntools. So I was like, oh, I have no idea what this pwntools is. So I've downloaded all the binaries. I got all that set up, so you don't have to watch that. But then I looked at this pwntools, and it has a bunch of interesting stuff. But the one I think we're interested in is these ELF binaries, like C binaries. And it looks like you can get addresses and symbols and stuff just with this. And it's a Python program, or a Python add-in. So maybe this is how I can solve the third one. So I will try and solve this problem using this pwntools. I'm sure there's some other people that, man, there's this one guy actually in the local Edmonton security group. He never uses any of these tools. Like he's just, I don't know, he just calculates it on paper and stone tablets or something. But yeah, he's really good. He probably is just like, why are you using all these crazy tools? You could just solve it, yeah, using your brain. But maybe, yeah, let's try it with pwntools. And then, because the other thing I'd love to do for the format string 3 too is just really, I haven't really had to dig deep into how memory works and stacks and stuff since university, which was 20 some years ago. And since then, I've been working in non-C languages. So yeah, so a lot of that, I have to remember how a lot of that works. So, but anyway, so yeah, we'll try this pwntools and we'll see if we can't figure it out. So, so the first thing I need to do, so this is format string 2. I got, here, let's move these out of the way. Oh yeah, there, my self-promotion stuff. Let's get that out of the way. So this is the program. It's called vulnerable C. Oh, I don't know if I have, this is running in Kali Linux on Windows Subsys for Linux, but I don't know if I have the C compiler and everything set up, but it's okay. We don't need it. We can actually run this remotely in picoCTF, but it looks so they set this address here, and then it looks like you type in some text, they print it out, and then if you're able to somehow magically change this value to this, then it will spit out the flag, right? So, oh, if we do run this locally, I have to create a flag, temporary flag or whatever. So that's the source code. So let's just run this real quick before we install the, where is it? Format string 2. Let's, oh, I haven't launched this instance. Or maybe I did earlier and it stopped. I think they only run for half an hour. So let's let this run. Okay. So now we should be able to, let's run this here. And it should just run this program. So let's just say, hello, wizard. Hello. I am awesome wizard. Okay, and then, oh, it actually prints out the output of sus. Oh, I might have to. Oh yeah, I recently installed that Gitkraken thing, and it loves to keep having these pop-ups. It's super annoying. I don't need to blame anyone. It's all me. The problem with this repository is it's always me. So I am an awesome wizard. Where does it print out? Sus the buffer. Flush standard out. Oh, it prints it out down here. Okay. So you can do better. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn it off. That's with git lens. Can I do it through here? Okay, yeah, that is super annoying. Okay, I will. See, this is mostly live. I'm gonna pause it while I figure out how to get rid of this pop-up all the time. Actually, I changed my mind. Why don't we try and figure out how to remove it together? So, I am going to actually let's do this. Maybe where's my GitHub? There you go. How do I stop git lens from popping up? Who edited a line? So this is oh, refining. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, you don't have to use this file. That's fine. Is it going to actually do it? Let's see. Wow. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, so I'm liking that the AIs have started like they'll tell you what to do, and it's just like you just kind of get to the point where you're like, can't you just do it for me? And let's see. So here's the settings. So if I get rid of this, Okay, now if I go here. Haha! Cool. Oh, wow, okay. So I'm glad I unpaused that. That was pretty quick. So anyway, that's what AI is basically has replaced a lot of these AI chats have replaced a lot of the Google and other searching that I used to do. I use Kaji search for myself. It's a paid search. I don't actually use Google. But they also have an AI assistant. So I use Kaji search, and their AI assistant will actually search the internet, kind of like GitHub, I think, did there too. GitHub Copilot did. So, okay, cool. That's awesome. Okay, so we got that done, and now let's, I need to install. So it's got the install tools here. So it's just a pip install. So I should have Python 3. Let me double check. Python 3. Yeah, okay. Cool. So let's just do the commands. I think I just did an update. I usually do an update just before these videos, but just to make sure. This guy cut and paste this whole. Oh. Sure. Install. Oh, yeah. I don't think we had the development tools installed. So maybe it will actually stop complaining about this. Yeah, GCC, yeah. I kind of never did. I just always ran the binary remotely. So I don't know how this pwntools works to set variables remotely. I don't know if you could do that. I'd be happy if I could just figure out locally how to get it to work. Okay, so that's good. And then do I have to type Python 3? I guess so. I don't know. I guess I should create an alias or whatever, but pip install, upgrade, pip, sure. Oh, what's this? Oh, this environment is externally matched. Install Python packages when I try installing Python. Oh, I guess I'm not using pip, or Cal isn't using pip. Okay. So sudo apt upgrade. Oh no. Can I get? I have to run this again just to see the message. I need the XYZ. Okay. Sudo apt install Python. So Python 3 probably. Dash. What was this called? pwntools. Oh, okay. It looks like it works. Right on. Oh, it's a lot going on there. Yeah, because my Kali Linux for Windows Subsystem for Linux was just like a real base install when I set it up. So over mostly these videos, I tend to record myself when I do these challenges just because I haven't had a lot of free time lately. I know client work gets in the way of doing these capture the flags. So, all right, so we have it there. How do I run it? Let me see here. Scroll. Okay. All right, getting started. Tutorials, making connections. Wait, we gotta tutorials, sure. Oh, I guess I could just jump right into Python and do the thing. Oh, okay, I have to okay, so if I just call pwn import. Okay, well, we'll just write this actually in a script here. So let's go file. What are we going to call this? Hack? Sure. And then what did I need to do? I needed to from don't import, I guess, everything. And then is there just a way to... oh, so I will need an executable. I will need to compile this locally. I think this has to be, like, this has to be an ELF binary, not just source code. Okay, so let's see. What is this error message here? Can I, let's just see if I can compile it. So if I go to format string 2, oh, sorry, I do have a binary here. I don't even have to compile it. Oh, I do. Yeah, so they give you the binary. So let's just run it on that, and then I don't have to spend time trying to figure out if I have all the binaries set up correctly to compile this. Okay. So let's split this here. Hopefully this is not too small. We don't need that. We don't need that. Okay. So I'm just going to try, let's see, exe equals, we'll just copy right from this example here. Vuln. I guess I should put like what, /. Okay. And then let's just do, do I have to do print? Exe dot address. All right, just Python doesn't need semicolons if I remember correctly. Okay, so let's see. Python 3 hack. Okay, cool. We got something maybe. Let's see. No canary found. I don't know what that. I don't know what any of this means. Oh, okay. So this, I think this was just printed out when it found the vulnerability, and this is the address. If I just do exe address, did that print? So let's try just commenting out. Okay, yeah. So this is that first command that loads it. If I just write out address, does Python just spit out stuff? No, I have to do the print. Okay. And I think something like this is the base address. The base address of the program gets the address of the win. Oh, okay. So that's the, it's getting function pointers. Where's blah? Oh, blah is an int. Okay, that's good. So we could get like the actual. Oh, this is kind of interesting. Because I thought maybe for format 3 I'd have to download a decompiler or something. Like I thought about doing that, but it's kind of fun to play around with this Python. Puts where the what's got, I don't know what got sounds. I have to look at that. Read the first 4 lines of bytes of binary from the address. Okay. Oh, and you can search. So I think these are kind of the things I want. I guess I can look more in here. Like here's elf. There. Hopefully that's big enough to see on the screen. Right, so you can even patch and save files. So I can read a file. I don't know what ASM. I'd have to look what all these do. It's not the best documentation. Oh, so you can print the disassembly. That's kind of cool. Are these all the options? Oh no, sorry, these must be methods or whatever. writes data to the specified virtual address. Oh, that's cool. So this is probably what I want. I need to get the address. Oh, okay. Man, this could make that next challenge pretty easy. Okay. But I don't. Can I run this on a remote machine? Like that's what I'd have to do. I have to run it on that. On this thing. I don't know if I could do that or not. But anyway, let's just, yeah, worst case, let's just play around with what we got here. So let's actually take a backup. I know I have this in source, but let's just take a backup of it anyway. And we will we'll just call it vol.exe. This is the one we're going to experiment on. Just so I can write to it and see what happens. So actually, let's just make sure I can write vol. Oh no, so I need to change plus x vol.exe. Okay, dot slash. There we go. Okay, and then I will need a temporary. What was the name of that? The flag that it needed? Flag.txt. Okay. So if I go here, let's call it flag.txt, and then we just put I don't know, format string to flag. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Make sure that still works. Okay, that's all good. So now I need to read. So there was a write. Let's see, is there a read? Yeah, so this is a read. So let's, I don't know if that's any use, but let's just leave it in there. Dot. Or let's just do exe dot symbols. Like that. We want sus. What does that give us? Oh, okay. So it spits out an address. Now, can I write the value? Exe.read. Exe.symbols sus. I have to pass in 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I'm assuming 4. Oh, got a typo. There we go. B sus. Why is there a B? I don't know why the B there. Why did I get an exclamation mark too? What does the actual app print out again? Hey. Oh, it just prints out the address of sus. Okay, so this. So that's the address. Read the first 4 bytes of binary. I guess we could try the disassemble. Copies information about an elf binary. Assembles the specified instruction insert in the elf of the specified address. This modifies the elf in place. The result binary can be saved. Okay. Oh, I can get the disassembled instructions. From assembly, from bytes. Load from path, that's fine. Oh, this is, oh, so these P's do right, a 16-bit integer, right, a 32-bit integer. Oh, okay. Write a 64-bit integer data to the specified address. Read. Oh yeah, read data from the specified virtual address. Everything's relative to the user, so moving things around. Okay, so we might have to, let's see. When no, what is this thing called again? pwntools. pwntools. Read and write to variable. Oh, I'll have to block that out. Okay. All right, let's do. Sure, let's go here again. Let's get a new chat. How do I no, I want a different, how do I get a different current file? Current file context. Do I have to click this first and then go here? Right. How do I read the value of a variable using pwntools? Oh, hopefully this just doesn't give me the answer. That's the only downside. It's in the format. Start the process. Okay. Receive the initial prompt. What do you have to say? Send the formatted string. Oh, yeah, this is giving me the, dang it. Oh, okay, so I can receive input until I get something. Okay, maybe how do I read the value of an elf binary? using it's not really telling me how to. Oh, I guess it is. It's looking for the value of sus. Can I just read it like from here? That seems like a lot of work. Like I'm reading it right here. Output PV. Oh, that's giving me the answer. I wonder if that's the full answer. So how does read work? Read takes. It's like it's sus exclamation mark. So sus points to this, but I want it to equal that. Is it always the same? I don't know if pwntools helps me or not. Okay, so it's 4. Let's put that up here. Oh yeah, it's always the same. Okay. Okay, well, let's take a look. What did you put here? Send format string payload to read the value of sus. Adjust the offset based on the stack layout. Oh wait, what's this? Okay, maybe the Stack Overflow question's a little more useful. Right. No, that doesn't help. Oh, another cheat sheet. Let's see. What? Okay. You can find functions. Okay, that doesn't really help me. Oh, here we go. The format string offset. Oh, it's got a format string payload. Interesting. If data is written by the model function at the start of your payload, you can specify the number of bytes written. Oh, okay. You will need to define a function that sends your payload to the target. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. So, let's see, go away. Okay. So I almost want to do like exe dot format stir payload. The offset, like when it prints. So I need this second value. Oh, wait. The offset is 0, I think, right? 0. And then this needs to be like this. And then I want to write this. I think. I guess I should figure out how to print off the value of sus first of all. Because I did have print. And then if we did it again, what do I get? I don't think that's going to work, but. Elf object. Oh, oh, it doesn't? Format string. Oh, did I just call it wrong? FMT stir. Yeah. FM. Oops, let's bring this over here. Can I search? FMT stir. Yeah, FMT stir payload. Oh, okay. So it is there. Oh, I can even do different write sizes. Okay, what is this in? Pwnlib. Assume a process reads a string and gives the string as the first argument of a print call function. It will do this indefinitely. Function call in order to send a payload. Send payload. Payload log info payload equals p.send payload return. Format string, it's going to execute that, right? Oh, let's see what we get. Let's just do, can we print this out? How do I? Because this is in pwnlib format stir. I need to go from pwnlib. Import star. What am I missing? Elf? Log P32. Most of the applications are routine. Okay. Do I need? Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Where's the script? Oh yeah, it just says FMT stir payload. Did I spell it wrong? Oh! Haha. There we go. What is that going to give us? Okay, so give us sus. And then I have no idea what all this is. Right, but it shouldn't. I don't think I print off the right thing. I want to print off. So I'm getting the address of the symbol of sus, but I want to print off what sus is. So I don't Do I have to have a running program? I guess I have to have a running program to do that, because will it know? Okay, pwntools, print off. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna try to remember to make this bigger. Put exploit code here. Working with tubes. Extracting data, alignment, logging, packing, unpacking. You can look at specified arguments. Until you see okay, first you need to set functions will send whatever is given an argument. Oh, okay, it's using that application. Format string. This takes the function as an argument. Oh, interesting. This function, now we can tell pwntools to find the offset with just one line of code. You do this manually. First, you need to set up function slopers, then whatever it is given as an argument as the payload to the format string attack and return the result. So functions should match whatever application. You don't just copy this verbatim. So make sure the function does exactly what I said above. I don't know if that helps. Now we can tell pwntools to find the offset with just one line of code. Format string. This takes we generate a payload that write any arbitrary data to any arbitrary address. It's multiple times. It takes in a dictionary value. Right, okay, so that syntax is okay. Beginner's guide. So, print and receive. Oh man, I was hoping this pwntools would help me, but I'm still struggling. Uh, context by alpha. Oh, this is what I was just looking at. Shell coding. Oh. let's say we had the following program. Just with the arbitrary, it just needs to know where the input starts showing up. To figure that out, provide a bunch of /p's and find the first one with your input. How do I know? Oh, because this is what I'm typing in there. Okay. Because this is P, %P. Okay. Now we explain as follows. Right. Okay, we can write into the symbol where what format is what to overwrite. Why do we get? Why do we use 42? Is that? Oh, okay. That's just. Oh, we want to write 42 there. Okay. 6 is the first. Okay, let's see. I still. Okay, so let's attach this to a pro. How do we attach to a process? Okay, so P equals process. Okay. Now can we go P? Now can we read out from? Oh, I still got the read. Okay. So P read. Oh, that's reading data from the process. Okay, so I don't think I need the elf as much as I need the. Okay, maybe I'm starting to understand this. Maybe. Okay, so let's try just writing this with add a bunch of these and let's see if we can see our %P. So we were looking for 7025. Oh yeah, here. Okay, so it ends up here. So how do I know how many? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, right? Let's write that down. 13. I think that's right. So, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, maybe it's. One, two, 10. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, maybe I was right with 13. 1, 2, 6, 12, 13. Right, because we only... What did I do? 14? First, oh yeah, the first one I did a whole bunch. And then we got it repeated a bunch. Okay. So I think I'm right. Okay. So now, so how do I pwntools print off variable during runtime? Oops. Read until we get the prompt. Oh. Oh, they're figuring out the offset. Logging, load an elf variable, start a process, receive until the given keyword, send data, print the target text. Okay, so I guess we can't do it at runtime. So we need to read it, and then like I guess it's just what like ChatGPT said. We'll read until it's 13. So, and then it's going to print the standard out, or flush the standard out, and then ask us. Yeah, buffer. Yeah, they're all fine there. Flag. Okay. Print the buffer and then flush the standard out. Okay, so I would need to read. What is the command? Oh, sure. Let's see. Open chat. Okay, so read. Okay, so this is reading until we get to that line there. Okay. It's all good. Now they picked 7. Send a format string payload to read the value of sus. And then they're going to... Oh, this is just reading up the stack. Oh, okay. And then they get the output, extract the value of sus from the output. Well, let's see if this works. Curious. Okay. You can go away for a bit. So it's 7. So I think we want, like, let's do 15 and see what happens. Two, 1. Oh, it did. It did give us the correct value. Oh, interesting. Okay. How? Did I just guess correctly? That seems really weird. Once if I only do 1, I probably won't get it, right? I'm really curious what the output looks like. Let's print output. Here's your input. Oh, yeah, put it right in the... How... Oh, is it because it's the first one? The first thing? Is that why? And then we split on the new line. Why do we split on the new line? Here's your input. Oh, we just get the rest of it, and then they print the buffer, and then... Why do I get sus equals twice? Here's your input. Okay. Print payload. Sus value. Yeah, we end up reading it like right from here. Oh, crazy. Can we get the buff value? How would I get the buff value? Okay, let's put this out to 15 again. Okay, that is super creepy because I don't fully understand how this is working. So receive until what do you have to say? So then we send it back. And then we're just going to read everything as the output. Oh, it's here. It's printf if sus. Oh, okay. That's where that's coming from. I was like, how does it know that? That is so creepy. Okay, but I'm looking at the wrong thing. Okay, let's try this again. So, I think we said 13. Zero. Oh, duh. We want this to be 13 times. I have that backwards, don't I? Right? Yeah, okay, there. I think one of these should spit this out like do %p 14 times, right? Isn't that what it should do? I always get that confused. All right, how do I send a bunch of %p's? Oh, okay. So I should be, let's get rid of that for a second. So I can do this like times 13. Okay, there, that's looking better. Okay. Nil. So if I do 14. Okay, there we go, right? This is where we ended up. So do I I want to, so this is where my input starts. How did that help us again? Okay, this is a vulnerable string. Okay, so int blah equals 6. Printf input. If blah equals 42. Oh, yeah. So this is basically what we're doing. If blah equals. Okay, so we have to find our input. With your input. I got the following output, blah, 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 blah. So here this is a okay, so then I want to write out like this. Doesn't give us anything. Okay, so I want to, at least I don't think it does. This is kind of garbage. Okay, so I have that. So now what I I know it's the 13th. So when I send this, I want to write actually to the output. Okay, so what I want my application to do, let's call this two things. Let's call this find I don't know, location, find address. Okay, and then we'll do this one as a new file. We'll call this one hack. Probably a way to do this in both, but okay, so I need to do this. And then I need to get my process. I need to basically do this again. And then I need to p.send line. All right, I need to do this first. So this is our payload equals fmt stir payload. The correct one. So my offset is 13, and I need to set the value. Let's split you to the right again. Okay, this is what I need to set the value to. Oh, I can use both because I can use. Oh, okay, so I do need to use both. So I do still want to do this. Okay, and then I want to do here, I want to set it to dot symbol at sus, and then the value is going to be no, this. That's what I want to do. But I needed this 13 for the offset. Okay. And then I'm curious with this. Let's put the payload just to see what it looks like. And then we'll send this line. Oh, wait. Does format payload take... I think we could just send payload. I don't, I might have this format wrong here. So, so then we can send that line. And then how, oh yeah, there's this p.interactive, p.interactive. Okay, so let's clear this. What do you have to say? Got end of file while reading interactive. Okay. It's egg faulted. Shoot. So is that what I need to do instead? Oh, the number of... Right, yeah, I do need to put this... Sorry, I was... I was right. This needs to go here. And I want to write that out. Yeah, so find the symbol, the address of the symbol sus, and replace it with that. Okay. What do you have to say? Is this the correct format for that? $13. Text is not bytes, assuming ASCII, no guarantees. Okay. So that's what my payload looks like, is this. %97. That's a weird payload. Do I need, am I screwing this up somehow? Let me see. I think. Okay, let's go take a look at this thing here. Data is written by the vulnerable function at the start of your payload. You can specify the number of bytes to write. If the data is written by the vulnerable at the start of your payload, I don't know what that means. To perform your writes. Oh, you can also use the format string. Oh, interesting. Okay, but I wanted it to be. Let's try this too. I'm curious. So I will need to do this. Where do I get the payload from? Like if I just run this isn't going to work, I don't think so. Of course it fails. Receive until what you have to say. Fact number does not fit with word size. A number. Oh, line 13. Yeah. Okay, well, I thought 13 was right, so let's... Space is screwing me up in Python? Space is a bad idea. Oh, do I have the order correct? Let me check. Because it looks very similar to this. Like, it's just example. I want to write to the blah, in this case this. They're going to write 42. And I am writing to sus. Like, there it is. I'm writing this value. Oh no, am I going to fail again here? I'm running out of time. So, what if I do like 12? Does that? Why is my payload so weird? That doesn't look correct. What if I just do 1? Does that change anything? That's the same payload. That's really weird. Oh, stable, I guess. Okay, we can automate the payload, process program, payload. Yeah, they just, how does this work? I am super curious about this. Print offset. Oh, I still need to do this thing. Because their program just starts reading like instantly. Oh, maybe I didn't pass it. Maybe I was dumb and didn't pass, like, I need to pass some P here or something. Is that what I was? If I watch this back, am I going to be really sad that I didn't see that? Okay. Let's see. Missing. But they don't. Like, they don't pass anything in here. Like, there's payload, but it's not. Oh, is this what I need to do? I'm curious. What is print payload? Okay, let's see what that is. None of these examples pass in the payload. That's what drives me absolutely nuts. Send the payload and print the output. Use. So we got program. Okay, that didn't help. Do I have the wrong? Do I have to specify some sort of binary or something? Oh my god, this is an hour and a half already. Packages that work properly makes. Oh, do I have an old version? Print payload. Oh, do I need? Oh, I need to decode that output. Okay. Well, I don't know. Heck with this. Let's go back to here. Decode. Sure. Does that tell us anything more useful? Oh, whoops. Oh, it's a real mess now. Built-in method of decode a byte object at. Oh, I gotta put this decode. There we go. Oh, that didn't help anything. Like change it doesn't seem to do anything. Does it? Oh, I guess it does. Change this a bit. Oh, so is that? Oh, is this the number of bytes I'm supposed to write, or? Where the input to figure that out, provide a bunch of %p's to find the first one with your input. The 6 is the first one. Just keep that number in mind. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6. So we did 13. Let's just do that just to make sure. Got end of file. So I'm screwing something up because I'm writing there and it's messing it up. What is this? There is this line here that does this context dot binary equals exe. Is that something I need to do? Oh, okay, maybe this bytes warning. Text is not bytes, assuming ASCII. Maybe that's my problem. Because that changed when I changed that context. Oh, it just repeats itself, eh? Yeah, thanks. Uh, oh, what's my version? Oh, do I have a bug? That would be really unfortunate. Um, yeah, look at that. Oh, okay, no, it's actually print everything out. Okay, so that all works. It's me. I'm breaking all the things. Send line payload. It's just an integer. So what is going on? Like it. Is this what I'm missing for when I find the address? Oh, there we are. It's right here. Is it still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, it's 14 here. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, okay. Is that what if I change this to 14, does it work? Ah! Oh my god, it's almost 2 hours long. Holy crap. Okay. Great. So now we have that working. Oh, okay. So that works. Oh, I guess I gotta be careful when I count things. That's somebody probably yelling at your screen and quit by now. Okay. So that's great. So we have that working, but now I need to somehow wait, what is can I just use this payload here? Like, can I just cut and paste this? Huh. So let's see. Control C. Oh, I think the thing is probably stopped. Yeah. Yeah, it's dead. Okay. That's sad. So this is what I want. Okay. Now, if I run this, and then I plop this in here. Oops. Oh, no, it just died. So okay, let's just make sure it works, right? Yeah. Okay. Do I need this exe mode? Let's see. What if I run this? Nope, I definitely need... That was important too. Oh, okay. Okay, both both are super important. Okay, what do you have to say? And then I write out this really gross payload thing. Is it because I'm not copying it correctly? Let's see. What aren't you liking about my big fat disgusting payload? So can I use... So that works locally. Can I use this remote hack? Oh, maybe it's a different location on the stupid server. Maybe it's not 14. Okay, let's try that first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh no, it's 14. Okay, so can you cut and paste format stir payload? Like, I'm just cutting and pasting. Why isn't it working? Do I need to decode it? Or not decode it? Oh, maybe that's what... What is B mean binary? Okay, let's see. Does B blah mean binary? Oh, please don't fill in the entire file. Forgot to tell you not to do that. Nope, stop. How do I stop you? How do I convert binary to string? And please don't add home tools. Please don't print off the whole thing. Please don't print off the entire program. Oh, UTF-8. Okay. Boom. Decode. Yep. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Oh, looks the same. Right? That didn't seem to do anything though. Let's see. Convert byte to string. Oh, I can use I can just decode the string. Yeah, oh yeah, the payload. Decode. UTF-8. Why does it still look ugly? Text does not byte, assuming ASCII, no guarantees. Oops. Oh, so it's printing off bytes. Huh. Okay, maybe we can use pwntools to send. Was there one that could send scripts or something? Ah, shellcraft. Oh, maybe not. Whoops. Advanced I/O with over processor SSH. Command line. Oh, here's the format 3. Oh, should I even look at the? Maybe, sure, why not? Well, I can't copy the string. That's the problem. Okay, well, that's the answer there. Still running. I don't know. How do I send? Not use this browser. Send binary string. Convert binary to string to send over NC. Can you send bytes over NC? Okay, let's see. pwntools netkit. Was it tubes? Elemental PQRST tubes. what's our netcut command again? I guess I could just try a remote. Let's see what that happens. Okay, so new file, hack.py. Can we just even connect to it? Let's r equals remote. What is the address again? I just used colon, I think. Let's see what happens here. Oh. It needs to be like this. Aha! Okay. Awesome. R. Does that work? Let's see. All right. Wow. 2 hours. I think this is my longest video yet. I wonder if I break this up into 2. Okay. Cool. All right. Boom. So I don't know if that helped me for 4 answer case. I did find the answer for one of those things. But let's see. Is that the right one? Yeah. Okay. Cool. So I guess in summary, yeah, that cutting and pasting didn't like that. So we had to figure this out, and then it created a gross payload, but we couldn't cut and paste it because I think something was getting lost in translation there. But if we remote connected, then we were all good. Oh, interesting. Okay. Well, if you made it through all 2 hours of this, wow, that's amazing. Thank you very much for watching. That was a long video. I was hoping this would be a short one with some answers, but oh man, I gotta get on some client work here. Okay, so thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. Please, if you found this useful, like and subscribe. If you have constructive criticism, shoot me an email. I'll write this up later, maybe throw it in the repository. You can also send me emails to ask at SaturdayMP.com. Yeah, and otherwise, I hope you have a great day and all the best. Take care. Bye.